Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus with iPhone. So to do this, first of all you have to remember to charge your device. At the back you can find input for the USB-C cable, and you have to remember to put both earbuds inside the case. Next you have to simply open it when it's fully charged, or at least to the 50% charged. Right now we have to go to the settings on your iPhone, and go for the Bluetooth, and then click on the switcher. Right now you have to select your Galaxy Buds Plus from the list. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and the next step that I can recommend you, it will be about using this Samsung Galaxy Buds application. So we have to open the App Store, then type Samsung Galaxy Buds in the search pool and download this application. Thanks to this app we will unlock more features, like for example we can adjust touch controls or use sound equalizer. Next we have to simply open this application, accept all the permissions that will pops on your screen. Right now swipe up, click allow, and then select Galaxy Buds Plus. Click connect, click continue, then tap got it in the right bottom corner. Click confirm right now, and as you can see we are successfully connected. In my case the right earbud is not connected because it's simply broken, so I cannot fix it. Yeah, that's all for this video. As you can see, that's a very simple way to connect them. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.